Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. Mapping out the shapes of this little Mewy kitten. I love it when they look like this because it looks like they're smiling too. Mewy smiling kitten. So just get the general shapes in here. Just getting things in the right places and the right angles at this stage. And it's just a quick gesture sketch. You can carry these in any direction you want. You can finish it off as a completed piece of work, or you can just use it for practice. And they just have a charm of their own. You know, that initial drawing, the imperfection, the perfectly imperfect. It has so much character. And I am going 4 times the speed and voicing over. I don't draw this fast. So now I got the general shapes. I'm happy with the shapes now, so I'm darkening up some lines. And I want to play up that little smile. Just making sure things don't look uncomfortable, that they look convincing, but allowing for a little bit of wonkiness for that character. It never has to be perfect. But the problem is once you start totally trying to perfect one spot, then everything else looks out of place. So it's kind of nice to just, leave it as is. That initial drawing, the first attempt, is, I find, very beautiful. Tighten up a little bit for the eyes for sure. And don't ever try to make both eyes exactly the same because it just doesn't work that way. The face is dynamic, whatever creature you're drawing. I had a teacher that told me when I was in high school one time that the face is like a rubber sheet. It's constantly moving. So snapping a moment in time, it's a moment during movement. So things aren't going to look exactly how you think they look, how we often think. And those little imperfections are what give it movement, give a still picture movement. So just let it be what it is. I like to really play up the facial features. And I tweak the mouth lines to just kind of keep it looking smiley. Kittens are such a joyful thing. And I love to hear from you, especially I love to hear about what you want to learn about cat drawing. What poses do you want to draw? I don't do a lot of specific breeds because I'm more focused on rescue cats because there's so many of them and we don't need to make more. We just want to love the cats that are here. But what kind of situations do you want to draw cats in? What positions? Let me know and put video idea in capital letters in your comment. And that way I can find it quicker. I can just kind of do a search for video ideas. And if it's something within my realm, I'll see what I can do to get it on here. And it just helps build the awesome community of crazy cat artists. And I really appreciate any subscribe and like and comment that I get. Makes it worthwhile for me to do this. And I learn so much by teaching too. Oh, and we are going faster now. We're going 8 times the speed to finish up. We have been for about a minute here. Whiskers are coming. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.